Class 5A, Lowndes High School. Drum major, Superior. Color guard, Superior. Pit percussion, Superior. Field percussion, Superior. Band 1, Superior. Band 2, Superior. Band 3, Superior, for an overall rating of Superior. Best drum major in Class 5A, Lowndes High School. Best color guard in Class 5A, Lowndes High School. Best pit percussion in Class 5A, Lowndes High School. Best field percussion in Class 5A, Lowndes High School. And the best band in Class 5A, Lowndes High School. First place, Gold Division, drum major, Lowndes High School. Second place, color guard, Gold Division, Lowndes High School. First place, Gold Division, pit percussion, Lowndes High School. Second place, field percussion, Gold Division, Lowndes High School. First place band in the Gold Division, Lowndes High School. Outstanding drum major with a score of 97.5, Lowndes High School. Outstanding brass, Lowndes High School. First place and grand champion of the Okefenokee Sound of Gold Marching Championship with a score of 96.03, Lowndes. Once again, congratulations to Lowndes High School and all 18 bands for a great Okefenokee Sound of Gold Championship this year.